In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize various features on Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com, an essential tool for managing your sales pipeline and more. Let's dive right in and make sure you become more efficient in handling your CRM tasks. First, let's get started by visiting the pipeline homepage. This is your central hub where you can find all the tools and features at your disposal. Think of it as your command center, where you can monitor and track all your sales activities. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this homepage as it serves as the launching point for everything else you'll need to do. Next, let's move on to the organization section. By clicking on this, you gain access to an overview of all the companies and entities you're dealing with. This feature helps in efficiently tracking each organization's status within your pipeline. It's a good practice to routinely update this section, ensuring all information remains current and reliable. Now we'll navigate to the Organizations tab. This specific tab offers a detailed view of all organizations associated with your sales process. It's the perfect place to apply filters and organize these entities according to your preferences. Keeping this tab organized will save you time and make it easier to find what you're looking for at a glance. Moving forward, click on the Contacts timeline. This is your chronological history of all interactions and activities with specific contacts. It's indispensable for tracking progress and understanding the sequence of events for each person you're in touch with. Always keep an eye on this timeline to stay updated on every step and ensure effective communication practices. After that, let's check out the Activities tab. This is where you can manage and configure individual tasks within your larger workflow. Having a well-organized Activities tab will streamline your process and enable you to stay on top of things without getting overwhelmed. Now, let's explore the Leads tab. This area is dedicated to all potential sales opportunities. By using this tab, you can visualize and track the progress of unqualified leads, moving them through different stages until they become viable customers. This step is crucial for nurturing new leads and improving your overall sales performance. Continuing onwards, let's proceed to the Insights tab. Here, you'll find an array of data-driven insights and analytics regarding your sales activities. It's a great way to monitor key performance indicators and utilize AI-powered insights to refine your strategy further. Make it a habit to review this section regularly to stay ahead of the curve. Finally, access the Sales Inbox tab. This integrates your email and CRM into one streamlined view, so you can manage all your communications efficiently without missing out on important conversations. It's a terrific way to keep everything tidy and ensure proactive engagement with your clients. That's how you can effectively use Pipedrive's pipeline and all its features to manage your sales process smoothly. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope these tips help you make the most out of your CRM tools.